Here is your permission to stop manually posting on social media and take back your time. Before I get started, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by my friends over at Adobe Express. Shout out Adobe Express. As an Adobe Express ambassador, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways that I have found to stay consistent on social media without being glued to my phone all day. Inside Adobe Express, I can use the content scheduler to plan my social media content in advance. I can see everything laid out on a calendar. I can preview my posts before they go live and schedule them to publish across my social media channels. So instead of waking up every morning and thinking, what am I going to post today? Or stopping what I'm doing just to upload something, I can sit down once, map out my content, schedule it, and move on with my life. And this is especially useful when I'm traveling, spending time with my family, or just trying to get off my phone. So here's the lesson, my friends. Consistency doesn't mean that you need to be glued to your phone and on social media 24/7. It means that you need to have a system. You need to create the content, schedule the content, and then have that system work for you instead of you work for the system. If you found this tip helpful, make sure that you drop a comment and a thumbs up and let me know what you think. Let's get it.